Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. For those of you that are new, welcome to Birthing Bosses with Felicia. I am Boss Lady Fee. Guys, guess what? We are doing another bow video. You know why? Because it's almost the holiday time. And honey, I do not want to see y'all baskets without no bows on it. No, I don't. I sure don't. No, y'all guys, really, it's really simple to make bows. Even if some of the bows you've seen me or some of the other gift basket designers make are not or don't seem as simple, guys, there are always more ways to skin a cat than one. So guys, I want to show you some simple ways to do bows. I've already made a video showing one, and here is another way, guys, where let's just say you have arthritis or you're not able to hold the loops in your hands without it being an issue, guys. Then hey, just cut you some strips off, about 4 or 5, 6 or 7, however many, guys. It just depends on how many loops you want. Just cut them off. I don't measure, honey. I don't measure when I cook, and I don't measure when I design. So just make you some strips, and then come in, guys, and make you 2 loops, or you can make you 3 or 4, however many you want. In this particular bow, I only did 2 loops, and I left the other strips straight. Okay, all I did was pinch them in the middle. You can see how I'm doing the 2 loops right here. All I'm doing is making a loop on one end and leaving the other end open, and then I turn the bows opposite ways of each other to give it a formation or look of a bow that you actually made, but it's only strips of ribbon. So when I get the other 2 pieces, I'm just going to connect them in the middle, and then I'm going to put a pipe cleaner, or you can use a zip tie or whatever you want to use to kind of close that off, guys. So yeah, this is a simple way to make bows. And like I said, if you want the loops real full, then hey, make more than 2 loops. Do what you do, honey. I ain't mad at you. But anyway, we are about to put this bow up here, but this is a bow that I'm designing with mesh. Well, not mesh, but tulle, and also with ribbon. And if you're using ribbon, guys, it's always better, especially if you're a newbie, to use wired ribbon. I'm gonna say that again, wired ribbon. Okay, it's much easier, and it holds the formation of the bow much better. All right, so guys, I hope this video has helped you with bow designing, and let you know, honey, that your bow or your basket is not complete until you put a bow on it. You better put a bow on it. All right, love you guys much. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, you better stop what you're doing, honey, and give this video a thumbs up. I sure do appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. To the next video, get your money, honey. And while y'all getting your money, honey, y'all need to buy y'all tickets. What y'all waiting on? Some of my boss buddies have already bought their tickets and secured their spot. I would hate for y'all to have to hear about all the goodness that's going to be taking place. Go to my website, FeliciaWinstead.com, to find out more information about the meetup with the boss buddies. Love you guys. Till the next video. Bye, y'all.